So roll number 1, Disha Annadate madam. So tell me, who is the founder of C language? Yes, tell me, who is the founder of C language?
Dennis Ritchie, sir.
Correct. So we have gone through all those material from like regular lectures. So you need to be attentive, give fast responses. Now I have one more question for you. Tell me where this program C language is developed.
Repeat question, sir.
Where C language is developed.
In 1972.
Okay, at AT&T Laboratories. Okay. Now, the next roll number 2, Vaishnavi. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me, what are the features of C language?
The main features of C language are simple. C is a simple language because it follows the structure approach, that is a program is broken into parts. Second one, portable. C is highly portable, mean that once the program is written, can be run on any machine and little or no modification. Third is mid-level. C is mid-level programming language as it combines the low-level language with features of the high-level language. Fourth is structured. C is a structured language as the C program is broken into parts. Fifth is fast speed. C language is very fast as it uses a powerful data types and operations. Sixth is memory management. C provides an inbuilt memory function that saves the memory and improve the efficiency of our program. And last one is extensible. C is an extensible language as it can adopt new features in the future.
Okay, good. Now roll number 3, Shilpa Bosner.
Yes.
So
Yes.
you tell me, what is the use of printf and scanf function?
The printf function is used to print the integer, character, float, and string value onto the screen. Scanf. The scanf function is used to take input from the user.
Okay, so now the next question is, which format specifier is used to print the integer type of value?
%d.
Okay, and if I wish to print the float type of value, which format specifier will be used?
%f.
Okay, good. Now next, roll number 4, Anuja Bile.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you tell me, what is the use of C function? What are the uses of functions in C programming?
C function is used to avoid and rewriting the same code again and again. And C function can be called any number of times from any place of our program.
Okay. So you have one more question for this. If I wish to display, if I wish to print character type of values, so which format specifier is used?
%C.
Okay, good. Now roll number 5.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me the difference between global and local variable. Ashwini Chavan, madam. Tell me the difference
Yes.
between local and global variable. Yes, tell me fast the difference between local and global variable.
Local variable, a variable which is declared inside a function or block is known as local variable, and a global variable, a variable which is declared outside the function or block is known as global variable. The scope of a local variable is available within a function in which they are declared, and the scope of global variable is available throughout the program. Global variable is available throughout the program, and access of local variable is variables can be accessed only by those statements inside a function in which they are declared, and the access of global variable is any statement in the entire program can access variables.
Okay. Now, I have one more question. If I wish to display the string, if I want to print this string values, so which format specifier will be used? If I wish to display the string values, so which format specifier is used to display the string value? Whether %c or %s?
Percent yes.
Okay, good. Now, next roll number 6.
Yes, sir.
Shrusti Sakri. So, you tell me the difference between call by value and call by reference from function. The difference between call by value and call by reference from the function.
When a copy of the value is passed to the function, then the original value is not modified. When a copy of the value is passed to the function, then the original value is modified. In call by value, actual argument and formal arguments are created in separate membrations. For reference, actual argument and the formal arguments are created in the same memory location. Third, in the case actual arguments remain safe as they cannot be modified. In the case actual arguments are not reliable as they are modified. Fourth, the copies of the actual arguments are passed to the formal arguments. The address of actual arguments are passed to their respective formal arguments.
Okay, now roll number 7.
Yes, sir.
Pragati Gove. So, you tell me what is structure?
Yes, the structure is a user-defined data type that allows storing multiple types of data in the single unit. It occupies the sum of memory of the members. The structure members can be accessed only through a structure variables. Structure variables accessing the same structure, but memory allocated for each variable will be different.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So tell me what is the structure and its syntax. So you already told me this what is structure. Now tell me what is the syntax of structure. How we declare the structure. Yes, fast. So next roll number 8, Sanskriti Jadhav. Okay, now you tell me the syntax of for loop. Yes, tell me the syntax of for loop.
For in a open and close curly bracket, conditions or statement, and semicolon.
Okay, is there curly bracket or round brackets are there for loop?
Round bracket.
Okay, repeat it again. Repeat complete answer again.
For a round bracket,
Yes.
condition or statement, close round bracket and semicolon.
There are 3 parts in for loop. Initialization is the first part. What is second part? Condition. And what is third part? Yes, increment and decrement. Okay. Now roll number 11, Anuradha Kangale. Sorry, roll number 9, Purva
Yes, sir.
Jagtap. Okay, now you tell me what is the use of header file in C? What is the use of header file in C?
$27. Hello, sir.
Hello. See, the question is, what is the use of header file in C program? Okay. So I will ask this question to roll number 11, Anuradha madam.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you tell me what is the use of header files in C program?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
माझा आवाज येते, sir?
Yes, you are audible. Tell me what is the use of header file in C program?
Header file contain the definition and set of rules of the functions being used in the programs.
Okay.
For example, when you use printf or scanf in your program, you need to include stdio.h library function, else your compiler will show an error. This is because the standard input and output function printf and scanf are stored in the header file. So similarly, every header file stores a set of predefined functions, which make it easy to program.
Okay, and what is compiler?
Compiler is a program that converts human readable code into machine readable code.
Okay. Now roll number 11. Anuradha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you tell me different basic data types used in the C program. what are the different basic data types used in the C program? Don't take this much time. The answer is very easy. Tell me.
Integer data type
Yes.
allow a variable to store numeric values. The storage size of integer data type is 2 or 4 byte. It varies depending upon the processor. The CPU processes is in the CPU. Character data type allow a variable to store only one character. Storage size of character data type is 1. Float data type allow a variable to store decimal values. Storage size of float data type is 4. This also varies depending upon the processor in CP. Double data type is also same as float data type, which allows up to 10 digits after decimal.
Okay, so which data type is used to display the integer type of value? Which format specifier is used to display the integer type of value?
Question repeat करा sir.
Which format specifier is used to display the integer type of value? %d or %s or %f?
%d.
%d. Okay. Now the next question to roll number 12, Preeti Kapse.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me what is variable? Yes, what is variable?
A variable is the name storage.
Okay, and what is the format or which format specifier is used to display the string values?
%s.
Okay, and for character?
%c.
Okay. What is union?
The union is a user-defined data type that allows storing multiple types of data in a single unit. However, it doesn't occupy the sum of the memory of all members. It holds the memory of the largest member only. In union, we can access only the one variable at a time, as it allocates one common space for all the members of union.
Okay. Now roll number 13, Abhijit Babar. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So what is preprocessor directive? Tell me what is preprocessor directive?
Preprocessor directive are placed at the beginning of every C program. This is where library files are specified, which would depends on what functions are to be used in the program. Another use of preprocessor directives is the declaration of constant. Preprocessor directives begin with the symbol #.
Okay, and which function is used to append a string to another string?
The strcat function.
Okay, is used for appending the string. Okay, now roll number next 14.
Yes, sir.
Pratish Bam.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Okay, now you tell me what is the use of size of function?
Yes, sir.
Use
The
of
use of size of function you use to find the memory space allocated to each type of in C program.
Okay. And what is the use of function in C program? What is the use of functions in C program?
C function are used to avoid the rewriting the same code again and again in the program, and the C function is called as any number of times from any place of our program. When the program is divided into functions, then part of our program can be easily tracked.
Okay.
And C function provide the reliability concept.
Okay. Now roll number 15, Ashish Borade.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me the difference between call by value and call by reference. Difference between call by value and call by reference.
Call by value description. When a copy of the value is passed to the function, then the original value is not modified. Call by reference. When a copy of the value is passed to the function, then the original value is modified. Memory location. Call by value. Actual arguments and formal arguments are created in separate memory location. Call by reference. Actual arguments and formal arguments are created in the same memory location. Safety. Call by value. In this case, actual arguments remain safe as they cannot be modified. Call by reference. In this case, actual arguments are not reliable as they are modified. Arguments. The call by value. The copies of the actual arguments are passed to the formal argument. Call by reference. The addresses of actual arguments are passed to their respective formal arguments.
Okay. Roll number 16.
Yes, sir.
Bhargav. Okay. You tell me what is pointer? Yes. Tell me what is pointer? Hello. Hello. Roll number 16, Bhargav. Roll number 17, Yuvraj.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you tell me what is pointer.
A pointer is a variable that refers to the address of value. It makes the code optimized and make the performance fast. Whenever a variable is declared inside a program, then the system allocated same memory to a variable. The memory contains same address number. The variable that holds this address number is known as the pointer variable.
Okay, good. Now roll number 17.
Yes, sir. 17.
Yes, you are the same. Roll number 19.
Yes, sir.
Ritesh. Okay, now you tell me what is recursion? Yes. What is recursion?
When a function calls itself, and this process is known as recursion. The function that
what
calls
is
by
array?
itself is known as recursion function.
Okay, and what is array?
Array.
Yes.
An array is a group of similar types of elements. It has a continuous memory location. It makes the code optimized, easy to transfer, and easy to sort.
Okay. Next number, roll number 20.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you can explain the call by value and call by reference, the difference between call by value and the call by reference.
Call by value description. When a copy of the value is passed to the function, then the original value is not modified. Call by reference. When a copy of the value is passed to the function, then the original value is modified. Memory of call by value, memory location, actual arguments and formal arguments are created in separate memory locations. Call by reference, actual arguments and formal arguments are created in the same memory location. Call by value, safety. In this case, actual arguments remain safe as they cannot be modified. Call by reference. In this case, actual arguments are not reliable as they are modified. Call by value arguments. The copies of the actual arguments are passed to the formal arguments. Call by reference. The addresses of actual arguments are passed to their respective formal arguments.
Okay. Now roll number 21.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me the syntax of do while loop.
Yes, sir. Syntax of do while loop. The do while loop continues until a given condition satisfied. It is also called as exit control loop. It is useful when it is necessary to execute the loop at least one mostly menu derived program. In do while loop, first we are write in do and in open curly bracket and close curly bracket there are code of the execute, and when we complete the this curly bracket, then we write while in bracket condition bracket complete and semicolon.
Okay,
that
good.
is the syntax of do while loop.
Correct. Now you tell me the difference between. Okay, now look at the screen. You tell me the difference between this equal to and double equal to operator. Okay, the difference between this operator and this operator.
This first equal to is normally used to means sir when we मराठी सांगू दे.
Yes, yes.
हा सर, जेव्हा आपण प्रोग्राम करताना हे पहिलं इज इक्वल टू वापरतो तर यात संख्यांची थोडी पॉइंट मध्ये फरक होऊ शकते. जेव्हा आपण एक्झॅक्टली इक्वल टू म्हणजे डबल इक्वल टू वापरतो या कंडिशन मध्ये ती व्हॅल्यू जेवढी आपल्याला एक्सपेक्ट आहे तेवढी अप्रॉक्सिमेट म्हणजे न येता ऍक्युरेट आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू मिळते.
Okay. In precise word, this is used for assignment, and here it is used for comparing. Okay. Okay, so good. Now next roll number 22, 23, Sonali.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you tell me what is this operator. Look at the screen and tell me what is this operator.
Ampersand.
No, if you have, see, if there is single and we call it as a ampersand, which is used for also called it as a address of operator. But here I'm asking about this.
No, sir.
Okay. At least this operator.
Comments line.
No, comments are like this way. Here I am using straight lines. Okay, now let it be. Tell me what is preprocessor directive?
Yes.
Yes, tell me what is preprocessor directive?
Preprocessor directives are placed at the beginning of every C program. That is where library files are specified, which would depend on what function are to be used in the program. Another use of preprocessor directives is the declaration of constants. Preprocessor directives being with hash symbol.
Okay, now you can tell me what is this operator, double slash? Okay, tell me what is variable? What is variable? (23) roll number, Sonali.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is variable?
A variable is the name storage.
Okay.